Hey everybody, normally we would be showing you some new prototype we're working on or maybe smoking some delicious barbecue in our indoor smoker, but today we're going to come to you with something a little different. We recently had the opportunity to partner with GE Appliances on a tactile sticker kit for the blind and visually impaired. It's a really meaningful product and we're excited about it. So we're going to turn this over to Arvid and Chris to give you a little more detail on what it is.
Hi, my name is Chris Bissig and I'm an industrial designer.
And my name is Arvid. I'm also an industrial designer.
We wanted to talk a little bit today about our access kits. Part of what we wanted to do is we wanted to serve all communities, and that includes the blind community as well. So we created the access kit to serve those users that cannot see. And part of our approach to do this was to work with teachers and blind individuals here in Louisville to understand their needs and to build solutions for them.
So this is the GE Appliances Access Kit, and this is a collection of over 450 tactile stickers that turn thousands of appliances into accessible appliances so that blind and low vision users can access all the features of their appliances. The kit uses both Braille and universal symbols. This is because not everyone who is blind can read Braille, and so we thought it was important to have a balance of the two. So as part of our research on this product, we partnered with Central High. That's a local high school here in Louisville that works with blind and low vision high schoolers. And we also partnered with APH. That's the American Printing House for the Blind. They are the largest producer of Braille textbooks in America, and they've been around for a long time, over 160 years, and they're really an expert that we are so fortunate to have locally. The Access Kit is really about empowering blind users to get the full functionality out of the appliances that they have. It really encourages independent living and again allows blind users to get everything they paid for in an appliance, all the features.
Okay, so we started this process and we did a lot of great design work, but we knew we couldn't bring it to market without some help. So I think one of the things that we knew we had to do is we reached out to FirstBuild, and really they brought some expertise in terms of developing product and actually making it available to users.
Their material expertise really were the foundation of putting this kit together. We wanted to make sure that these stickers maintained their durability over time, but were also flexible enough to adhere to curved surfaces, knobs, things of that nature on appliances. A special thank you to Brian Leonard at Central High School. He was really helpful and gave us access to his high school classroom where we could see visually impaired high school students interacting with GE appliances.
So if you or someone you know might benefit from this product, maybe the additional freedom or independence that it could provide, be sure to check the link below. They're available today on our website. So thank you for watching. Leave your comments and we'll see you next time.